Hello children, welcome to today's section. Children, now our programming sections are over. Okay, then the lecture videos for the programs will given later. Okay, that is the lab sections will give you later. Today let's start our new lesson, that is cyber safety. Okay, that is safe and responsible use of information and communication technology. Okay, cyber safety is a very familiar word to you. You all know what is cyber crime and cyber safety. Anyway, once again, we can learn some more topics related with this cyber safety. Then what is cyber safety? Cyber safety refers to safe and responsible use of internet to ensure safety and security of personal information and not posting threat to anyone else's information. Okay, so the cyber safety refers safe and responsible use of internet. Okay, for what? To ensure safety and security of personal information. Now we all are using the different social medias. Okay, we are using our personal information in the social medias, and also we are posting our own images, our own photos, videos, etc. in the social medias. Okay, so this information or this posting of these images or video that do not threat anyone as information. Okay, next one, safely browsing the web. Okay, these days we must know the threats while browsing the web. Okay, safe browsing on web needs you to know many things like what are possible dangers, how to avoid these, and how to virtually conduct yourself while browsing web. Okay, that is, you must remember not every site you visit is safe. Whatever you post or do online is visible to others. Okay, not everything you see or is promised online is true. Okay, that is, maybe you'll notice that when you try to download anything from any site, it maybe shows some message like this one is not a trusted website. Okay, maybe is anyone noticed like that? Okay, so remember every time, that is, the site that you visit is not safe all time. That is, not every website is safe, or not every website is a trusted website. Okay, then identity protection while using internet. We surf internet for a variety of reasons, from using social media, buying and selling goods, to exchanging information, like that. Okay, when we give private data to businesses and other internet users, such as while filling online form or making payment online, okay, we trust them to use that information for legitimate purpose. Okay, this information can be used for harmful reasons like hacking, stalking, and identity fraud. You all know now we all are using these online purchases. Okay, while we use this online purchase, we are giving our own details, our address we are giving, okay, our phone number we are giving, our credit card or debit card details we are giving. Okay, so when you give this much information when using this internet, it may be there is a chance to hack or stalk your identities. Okay, that is, the identity fraud is when personal details that have been accessed or stolen are used to commit fraudulent acts, posing as someone else with stolen identity. Okay, then solution of identity fraud. Most common solution to this is private browsing or anonymous browsing. Okay, two types of browsing methods, private browsing or anonymous browsing. Before we understand this, let us talk about what happens when we browse this internet. Okay, so anonymous browsing, all the ways discussed earlier of identity leakage, is resolved by either anonymous or private browsing. Then first one, anonymous browsing. This type of browsing allows users to view websites without revealing any personal information of user, like IP address, machine type, location, etc. An anonymous browser lets users access websites anonymously. It can also be as a tool for government, journalists, and everyday security conscious surfers. Okay. Next one, private browsing. Okay, there are other ways to use internet without revealing our search history and sharing our data. Okay, for this, first one is incognito browsing. For this, open up a version of the browser that will not track your activity. Okay, it's particularly useful if you are entering sensitive data like bank details into the browser, as it can minimize the risk of our information being saved to that computer. In Google Chrome, just press Ctrl plus Shift plus N to open in incognito mode. Okay, so this one is another version of the browser. Okay, when you using this incognito mode, this will not track your activity. Okay, that is when you're using your sensitive data. Okay, that is the bank details or your personal information. When you entering such types of information, it is better to use incognito mode. Okay, so when you use this incognito mode, that does not track your activity. Okay, children, so when you press this Ctrl plus Shift plus N, that your incognito mode will open. This one is like that. Okay, so next one, proxy. This one is act as a middleman between your computer and the website you want to access. Now, the tracking website will get the IP address and information that belongs to the proxy site. So, you are effectively getting the same content from another source without getting to know your browsing details. Okay, so whatever you search, okay, getting the same content from another source without getting to know your browsing details. Okay, so this proxy is a middleman between your computer and the website. Okay, children. Next one, virtual private network, VPN. VPN is a method to add security and privacy to private and public networks like Wi-Fi hotspot and the internet. Okay, virtual private network. You have to study the full form of VPN, virtual private network. Okay, VPN are most often used by corporations to protect sensitive data. Okay, VPN were originally meant for business employees working offsite to gain access to shared data. Okay, children. So this one is called a virtual private network. Okay, mainly used by corporation. Okay, to protect their sensitive data. Okay, children. So these are the topics for today. So don't forget to study the definitions for all the headlines. Okay, because this one is only a theoretical lesson. Okay, only theory. You have to study all the definitions and also all the short forms you have to study. Okay, children. See you again on next day. Till then, bye. Thank you.